Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of alphabet. Students, from today, we'll take preparation for the annual examination. Let's start. Today we'll write small letters. I have drawn lines on board. In your copy, you'll find lines like this. You have to maintain the lines while writing the letters. First, I'm writing small a. Look, when you will write A, you have to write in the middle level. Here, upper level, middle level and lower level. Small a will be in the middle level. Then B. B will be from upper level to middle level. Then C. C will be in the middle level. Then D. Like B, D will be upper level to lower level. Then E. F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Then small g. From middle level to lower level, you have to write small g. Then H. I. I will be in the middle level and the dot will be in the upper level. G, H, I. Then J. Small j. Small j will be from middle level to lower level and the dot will be in the upper level. Then small k. Small k. After k, you have to write L. This is L, small l. Then M. Small m will be in the middle level. Then after M, you have to write N. M, N, O, P. Small p will be from middle level to lower level. Then Q. Small q. R. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Then S. S. T. T. U. V. Then W. Small w, X, Y, Y and last one Z, small z. Now say with me A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. That's all for today's class. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.